Hey guys, welcome to TechTime channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to know who viewed your Facebook profile. Basically, there is no way to see who viewed your Facebook profile. If you go to Google and if you ask this to Google, you'll find the answer here. Facebook doesn't let people track who views their profile. So you got this, that you cannot see who views your profile, right? Third party can also can't provide this functionality. If you come across this app that claims offer this ability, please report the application. That means you will find many applications in Play Store which will claim that they can help you to see who viewed your profile, but it's actually nonsense. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. Actually, there is no way to search tricks or features like this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.